I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your data source has clean fields and correct types. Once done, refresh the connector to avoid stale schema issues. Next, add a chart, use a table or scorecard to target the visual you want to format. Then open the Style panel, find the Metric Formatting section, and click Conditional Formatting. Add a rule with the plus button to create your first condition. This begins the active process of mapping values to colors or icons. Once the editor is open, pick the field and aggregation you want to evaluate, sum, AVG, or raw field. Then select the comparison operator like greater than, less than, or between. After that, assign formatting. Choose solid colors, gradients, or icons to represent thresholds. Discrete steps work best for tiered KPIs. Make multiple rules when needed and order them deliberately because the first match wins. Finally, preview using sample rows to confirm visual logic behaves as you expect. To finish, apply the rule to other charts or copy style settings to maintain consistent visuals across the report. If your logic requires more complexity, build a calculated field that outputs a categorical flag, then format that flag instead. Make sure filters and date ranges don't exclude test rows. These frequently break expected results. If formatting fails to appear, check that the chart supports conditional formatting. Confirm the field type matches rule expectations, and adjust rule priority to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.